Hey Stone Fabricators, it's Don Duran with NSI Solutions. Today we want to go over some quick changes to seam phantom replacement parts to help keep your seam phantom working like new. So the first one we want to discuss is the valve bracket and valve. So if you're running an electric seam phantom like this with the black bracket and the valve that slips into it like that and tightens down with these set screws, these two parts are no longer available. This was called BRACKET117 and VALVE116. If you need a new one, you need to purchase the stainless bracket and this valve with the elbow fitting. You just tighten it right down on the bracket tight. And this elbow fitting's maybe a different color, but they're all the same. And you end up with an assembly like this, which is how we've been selling them for over a year now anyway. These parts are available on our website at NSISolutions.com. In our web store, you can filter to replacement parts to make them easier to find. If you're having a problem, you can always send it to us to be repaired. Contact us at info@NSISolutions.com if you're interested in having us refurbish your seam phantom.